folks, welcome back. In this video we are going to set up a static IP address to this two servers, Citrix server and vCenter, and we are going to connect those two servers to the domain controller, which is Active Directory. Okay, so let's get it started and log into the Citrix server first and enter the password. Okay, what we have to do is now we need to set up a manual IP address. Okay, ncpa.cpl. And what is the IP address which we need to assign to this Citrix server is, where is Citrix server 202? All right, go to properties, go to TCP IPv4 10, numlock should be on, come on boy, 10 10 10 204. all right, 10 10 10 1 is the gateway. And the DNS IP address is what it is? It is the IP address of Active Directory machine. So 10 10 10 200. Leave it blank. Alternate DNS. Okay. What else? We need to change the machine name. All right. So the default machine name is Win and something else. Okay. So make sure we have correct name to identify what this server is built for. Okay, so in company that should be not like Win and this number. Okay, there should be a name convention properly. Okay, so what we have given this name to Citrix 01. Okay, go to setting, change, and the machine name Citrix 01. Say okay. Okay, machine will restart, and after that we will connect this server to domain controller. Same we need to do with the vCenter. Okay, that is back, go there. Right click, go to properties, go to change. Now computer name is Citrix 01. Now it is in workgroup model. We need to connect domain controller. For that we need to put the domain controller name, which is careerhub.com. say okay. In case it is not getting connected, you getting this error message, make sure you are able to ping that domain controller. Go to cmd ping 10.10.10, come on, 10.200. oh, some reason I'm not able to ping. Okay, timeout, go to control, go to small icons, Windows Defender, go to notification, turn off. Okay, let's try to ping it again. Why I'm getting reply from 204? Go to directory, I'll make it off the firewall from here as well. Control panel, small Windows Defender, and wanted to make it off. Turn off. All right, I'll move back here. And see. Go to properties and let's see if we have make any mistake. No, all looks fine. Disable it, enable back. Destination IP config flush DNS IP config disturb DNS. Let me try to ping that machine from Active Directory. Let's see if I'm getting reply. Ping 10.10.10.204. No. Let me see if this vCenter Citrix server network setting is correct. No, it is not. We should select this bridge connection. Since I have selected bridge connection over here, okay, so same setting will needed for all this machine, 4 machines. Okay, so okay, now it should be ping. Great. Little mistake will make you in trouble. Okay, 200, I'm able to ping it. Now I should be able to connect the domain controller. Go to here. Very good. All right, looks I'm in very hurry. Meanwhile, I'll go to vCenter. I need to change the name of vCenter as well. What was the name given to vCenter? It is vCenter only, and I'll make it vCenter. vCenter domain is careerhub.com. I'm come back again on Citrix server, and I'm trying to connect the domain controller. Okay, add strator career hub and the password. Do I forget the password? Okay, let me change the name first. vCenter, go back here. It's little crazy to connect the domain controller. Sometimes it's very easy to connect, sometimes it's giving a trouble to, but it is, of course, it's a very good example how you can troubleshoot if your machine is not getting connected to the domain controller. So that is very good that this scenario come up while we are making a lab. So that is good for you, good for me. Again, change domain. Now I remember the password, and I'll make it connected. Okay, administrator. I was putting some other password. Okay, so it should be fine. Okay, so it is connected to careerhub.com now, and I'll close it, restart. I'll go back to vCenter, and we'll connect this machine to controller. Now we just change the name of this machine from default one to vCenter, and we'll go to change setting, change again domain. Domain name is domain controller, name is careerhub.com, and the password. Okay, one mistake. NAT, it should be bridge, right? Okay. Okay, it's closed, and okay, now it should be able to connect. Administrator and the password. Okay, so we are done with set up static IP to all these 2 server, all those 3 server. Okay, also we have connected this 2 server to the domain controller. Also we have changed the name as per the lab setup. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going to install vCenter. We are going to install Citrix role on Citrix server. So let's meet you next video.